The planet we breathe in is full of colors, making the world a beautiful place to live in. Every individual lives life in various forms and is responsible for his own future. This short film would depict the four different faces of life.
It's been a long time, Shankar. Let's go out for a smoke. What do you say?
Fine.
We'll go.
Yeah. What else?
Hide it somewhere.
Hey. Oh,
Hi, Andrew. How are you? Man.
so
This is Shankar.
Hi, Andrew.
I told you, right? My
Yeah.
childhood friend. He is Shankar.
Am I smelling alcohol here?
No.
Oh, you're kidding, man. Yes, this is definitely alcohol. Yeah.
No.
Come on, bring out the alcohol. I drink to chill. Get it? Just.
Join the party?
Yeah, definitely. Just.
I thought some modern film or something.
No problem. Just.
Hello, I'm Shankar. I'm Krishnesh. I think we are in the same ethics class and we have a project to do together. Yes, I remember. What are we going to do? Let's do something on the current ethical issues. Okay.
Shankar, how
Yeah,
much time more, dude? Come
Just a
on,
minute, dude.
you're making it too much time.
Okay,
Seriously.
give me your phone number. Yeah, take it. 9092903040. Too late, man. Come on, let's go. What is this guy?
He's just doing the Let's go.
Shankar, we're leaving, man.
Yeah.
I'm coming, guys. Okay, bye, Krishnesh. Okay, bye. Idiot, what are you doing with him?
How much more time, dude? Come on.
Okay, Krishnesh, let's wind it up for today. Okay, fine. Where have you gone so suddenly yesterday? Was it that important? No, we actually went out to roam around the campus. Those are my friends Rohit and Andrew with me yesterday. I think I have seen you smoking with your friends. Yeah, actually I do smoke. So, what's the reason? Just try to avoid this. It will kill you. Okay, Krishnesh.
Yeah, Andrew, how was your day?
Fine, I had two quizzes, stupid quizzes. Did do good. You?
What about you?
Oh.
I forgot my book. I'll go get it. Fine.
Fine.
Come soon, okay?
Yeah.
Vamsi, are you there? Oh, Krishnesh, have you seen Vamsi here? No, he went out to meet his friend. Okay, fine, I'll catch you later. Shankar? Yeah? Can I have a moment with you, please? Yes, absolutely. So, how's your life? Absolutely fine and perfect and healthy. Yes, you are my good friend. I'm not advising you, but I'm trying to help you out. Why do you actually drink and smoke? You know, it actually gives me pleasure and a peace of mind for a moment. You think it actually gives you pleasure? It is trying to kill you from beside. Just think about your parents, about your career. Your career can obviously be spoiled. Just try to avoid this. I think you'll definitely overcome from this. Okay? Okay, fine. So, ignorance can be cured, but stupidity remains forever. Okay. It's never too late to change. Okay? Think about it. Okay, be a good boy.
Believing in Krishneshwar, Shankar tries to walk on the right path and decides to change the others.
Shankar!
Yeah, hi guys. Shankar, coming for a smoke? Guys, actually I want to tell you something.
What?
I think it's high time and we have to change. And we have to stop.
Change
all
what?
this. What are you talking about? Yeah guys, I'm talking about the smoke and drinks what we do. I think he's
You're sleeping.
Dude,
Wake
get
up.
Get up. Guys, I'm serious and I'm conscious about this. I'm telling you, it's never too late to change. It's better that we stop doing all this. What has happened with
This idiot must have brainwashed him.
Exactly.
Are you coming or no?
Are you coming with us or no? Shankar,
Get
this is the
lost,
last time I'm asking. Are you coming?
Fortunately for Andrew, his parents get to know about his habits at the right time and he gets a call which was the indication of realization.
Oh, mom, what? You think I drink? No. No, I'm not drinking. Not drinking, mom. Who told you that I was drinking? Yeah. No, I don't drink. Okay, fine. I just tried drinking twice. Yeah, I won't do that again. I won't do that again. Trust me, please. Apologize, mom. I won't do that again.
Andrew,
Dude, what are you doing?
I'm so happy today, man. I'm so happy. You don't know. This is my party for you. Come on, drink with me, man.
Get a hold of yourself, Rohit.
Andrew, what's wrong? What happened?
Man, I don't know. I want to die.
What's wrong, dude?
My parents found out that I drink in public. I don't know what I'm supposed to do now.
Okay, fine. Come with me. I know a place where you will be alright.
What is that place?
Come on, I'll show you. Trust me. What is this? Right now is the best place for you. Trust me. Come on. Yes, this is the right place for you. And it's never too late.
The three phases of the film: walk on the right path, leaving alone the fourth.
I don't know what to do. Everybody has left me. What's wrong with me? What wrong did I do? They were all with me once, but suddenly now a new person has come. A new face has come and changed them. But I will not change. I will be myself.
Due to Rohit's loneliness, he indulges in taking drugs and the unexpected happens.
Rohit, what's wrong with and what is this? Rohit, what is this? What is that? What is that, Rohit? Tell me what is that? Rohit, I'm trying to help you out. Please come out of this.
Who are you to help me? Come on, man.
I'm trying to help you out, Rohit. Look at Andrew. He has almost changed going to the rehabilitation center.
Come on, everything is gone.
Rohit, try to come out of this.
Everything is gone. I also get lost. Get lost. Get lost.
Fine, Rohit. Goodbye forever.
Ah. Ah.
The next morning, Rohit could not see the rising sun due to overdose of drugs. This is me, Sri Ram, your narrator. All I just want to say is, it's never too late to change.